separately. But then, without jumping or sprinting, how could I do this? Well, to get past
Yo.
the first piston,
Huh?
the solution is to...
What? When are you gonna complete Chapter 2? What do you mean? I already completed the game. Like a while back. Oh no, like the Plush series. When are you gonna do that? Chapter 4's out. It's been out for months. You really want me to do Chapter 3 really bad? Yeah. Kinda been waiting on it for a year now. Getting very sleepy. So you really want it? Yeah. Alright then, I'll give you the end of Chapter 2.